Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you read by the title, we're going to be doing the May 2020 BoxyCharm unboxing box. So let's just jump right into the box. Okay, so as we have here in this month's box, we have this Beauty Creations Cali Chick, right? That's what it is. Yeah, Cali Chick eyeshadow palette. And then we have, well, let me put this down. We have this English Laundry. It's a perfume, I think. Yeah, it's like a little roller perfume. So next in the box we have this, which I think they're nail polishes. It's kind of a weird box this month. Yeah, I think they're nail polishes, so yeah, that's nail polish. I was like, maybe it's like something lip, something, you know, never know. New brands come out with new things these days. So next we have this Hourglass Vanish, this the Vanish Flash highlighting stick. So let's see. It's cute or whatever. Oh, I opened it upside down. Aw, that's upsetting. Look guys, it's like broken, can you tell? You see that? It's like chipped off. That's weird. Okay, well, we'll be testing this out. So then the last thing we have in the box is this Crown Pro palette. I don't know if it's eyeshadow. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Okay, so it's eyeshadows. This is what it looks like. The palette, like, it's already dirty. Like, I don't appreciate when a palette comes dirty. Ugh, and it has that, like, play makeup smell. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. And then let me show y'all the Cali Chick palette, since, I mean, I showed you everything else except this. Oh, this one's cute. This is what it looks like, guys. I didn't even think it had that on there. So that's what the shades look like. I think I'm going to be using this palette. I like the way this one looks way better than what this one looks. So that's it that comes in the box. You know what's so weird? I didn't get that little card that we normally get. Oh well. It's quarantine, you know, maybe they're not focused or something. Okay, so guys, I already have a little bit of highlight on. I didn't apply too much. So I'm going to be swatching the Hourglass Vanish. Did I just do it? Did I do this? No, I didn't. It's not even on the thing. Okay, so I'm going to be swatching the little highlighting stick, if we may. Ooh. That's cute. Can y'all see that? I don't know what shade it is though. Like, it's not something I would go for, but we're gonna test it out. Smell wise, I don't smell anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this where I would normally apply my highlight. So that's like in this area. Can you see? Yeah. Just pat it, and then with my finger I'm gonna go in and try to blend it out. Ooh, that's bright on camera. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to blend it out. Y'all, this is blinding. What the heck? I don't think I had applied that much. It's cute though. I think I overdid it though. Like I went too curved. Okay. That's cute. Let me apply it to the other side. What is this? Okay. It's cute, but you know, it's new to me. But I really like it. Okay, so now moving on. Let's see. We have this oh, I broke it. We have this English Laundry perfume, roller perfume. Oh, it's not a roller perfume. It's a little spray. Oh no. Too much. Blow it away. I don't know. But it's super strong, so I have a feeling that it like wears a long time, if you know what I mean. Like it's gonna stay on a long time. I'm more of like a fruity type of perfume, not this. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm so thrown off right now. My nostrils. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with these little, I mean they're just nail polish, but I'm gonna paint a couple of my nails. I'll paint one red and one pink, and we're gonna see what happens. I think it's red. I'm not even sure what color this is. It looks like red, right? Yeah, it looks like a reddish color. So let's just paint them really quickly. I'm only doing one coat because, girl, who got time to do more? It's a cute red. Makes my hand look really white. I feel like a little kid. Okay, guys, so that's what they look like. The two things we have left in this box. This was a quick one. Wow. Okay, so the two things we have left is this palette. This is the Crown Pro palette. So I'm going to be going in with this palette. Once again, let me show it to y'all. That's what it looks like. So the first thing that I'm going to do, that I always do, is I prime my eyelids before I do my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with the shade Marina. It's this shade right here. The third shade in the top row. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe M443 brush. So there is some fallout in the pan. Nothing crazy. Like, I really don't care for fallout in the pan. Because you can always, you know, blow it away or whatever. So now I'm just going to put this in my crease. This was a cute little transition shade. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take Sunset. This shade right here. The bottom first shade in the bottom row. On a fluffy brush. And I think I'm going to put that over the shade. Okay guys, so right off the bat, like I really like the way these shades are blending. Like, they look good. They blended good. I didn't really struggle to blend them in. You know, they kind of just blended in on their own. And I'm going to dip into the shade Laguna, which is the third row, last shade in the palette, I would guess, if you're going this way. This is the last shade. So once again, there's a lot of fallout in the pan, as you can see. There's lots of fallout, but it's okay. I don't mind fallout in the pan. I just don't like fallout on my face. By the way, there's not much fallout on my face either with these shadows, so that's pretty good. So this, I'm gonna be focusing it more on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm going to be swatching all the shimmer shades just to see what shade I would want to put in my, when I cut my crease. I'm like, what am I trying to say? Okay, this is Malibu. And I will be swatching them on the back of my hand right now. That's Malibu. Ooh. This is Tan Lines. And then, ooh, Hanty. This is Boardwalk. That is so cute. Like a coppery shade. And then we have the last shimmer shade in the palette. This is Sail. That's cute too. Don't focus on me. So yeah. So then now let me swatch these on the back of my hand. I know these are not like the best swatches, but this is what they look like. So this one right here, this is Malibu, this is Tan Lines, this is Boardwalk, and then this is Sail. Okay guys, so now that I cut my crease, I'm going to apply Malibu, which is that gold shimmery shade, on my lid on a Morphe M213 brush and pack it on. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to off camera and apply some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'll be quick, I promise. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So real quick, I'm just gonna go back through everything that we just went through. I'm gonna do some research real quick. Okay guys, so we had the Cali Chick palette, which is what I used to create this beautiful eyeshadow look, and this retails for $14. Okay, $14.99. Since I didn't get the little paper, I am looking up these prices. So yes, that one is $14.99. Okay guys, so we have the Crown Pro palette, and this retails for $39.99, but if you go to the website and you purchase it right now, it is on sale for $9.99, so that is like $30 off. So if you do like this eyeshadow palette, I would say go ahead and get it because it is on sale right now. So yeah, $42, just $42 flat out. I really like this product, the eyeshadow palette as well. This one I will be testing it out very soon to see how I feel about it. I just didn't feel like messing with this one today. The colors were more appealing in this palette. So next we have the Deborah Lipman nail polish set. I could not find like this specific duo. They sell them on their own, like each one individually, and if you want to know the shades, I will let you know. The pink one is called Can't Stop the Feeling, and the red one is Fire on the Horizon. These two sell separately, $20 each little thing. So I feel like this is kind of pricey for nail polish, but I mean, you know, everybody's, what is it called? Everybody's opinion on, you know, what's pricey and what's not pricey. But for me, $20 for, how much do you even get in here? Girl, it says 8 ml, 8 milliliters. No, I don't know, but $20 for this little thing, I feel like it's ridiculous. But you know, it's everybody's opinion on what is what. So lastly, we have the English Laundry. Retails for $24.99, and yes, I'm getting this off their website, so it does retail for $24.99. I wish I could explain to y'all, like I wish y'all could smell it through the camera so y'all understand what I mean about this perfume. Like, it smells good, but then you get like that hit of baby powder, and it's kind of like, whoa, what just happened? But like, if I had to use this, I would use it. It's not that bad, but still, I don't know, like I have a whole bunch of perfumes that I would prefer to use than this one, but then again, you know, you never know when you're gonna need it. So that is all the products we have this month. It was kind of an odd box. Like, we got nail polish, we got perfume, and then we got 3 makeup products. They're little box to not just be makeup, like perfume, you know, it's all beauty wise, it's not just about makeup. So that's kind of cute. I appreciate, you know, I mean, I definitely did not expect it in this box for sure, but you know, this stuff is cute, and I really enjoyed this box this month. So yeah, that's all I have to say on this month's box. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.